Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about the next step of coding, that is events. So again we'll go to code.org. I have simply typed code.org on Google and you will come to this page. I have signed in already, you can sign in, and then we'll go to Sprite Lab. And when we'll reach Sprite Lab, you know the basic concepts what I have told you, that what is coding, that is commanding computers. So just look at these things once again, that an instruction given to computer is called command, and here we are commanding computer with the help of blocks. And when more than one command is given, we create a sequence of commands. So this is what we are going to do here also. Okay, so now as I have told you, first of all we need background for our game. So we'll go in words, we'll set background too. And as I've told you, there are a lot of options. If you can't see your desired option here, you can click on more and select from the given options to you. So as you can see, there are a lot of options and I feel this one is good for me. When I'll click on my desired option, it will come in this menu. So I can choose it from here. And now I want to add sprite in my animation, in my game. So what I want is, I want a helicopter, but this time I don't want this helicopter. I want some other helicopter. So here also I can click on more and you can see there are a lot of options here. I can simply type it here and you can see it's here. And I have this helicopter in my menu now. So this is the required helicopter. Again, this is the location block. This is the spoon icon. I can click on it and I can use this icon to drag my sprites wherever I want in this play area. So I have kept my helicopter here. So now what is required is the motion, the required motion. Okay, so what I want is, I want movement, but I don't want simple movement to my sprite. I want a movement when I require it. When in the previous video you saw, I'll just put the behavior sprite begins. Like I'll choose here helicopter and I will choose it begins moving north. If you have any doubt till now, you can see my previous video of coding and you will clear all the doubts. But keep watching this video till the end to learn event block. Okay. So this is how you are going to do. We're going to click run and helicopter starts moving. But as you can see in the games, like see, this is the Angry Bird game. You can see that Angry Birds are not moving on their own. What are they doing? When you click on this, only then it moves. So it is up to you when to control the movement. So we have events. So what are events? Anything that results in a change is called an event. For example, your birthday. Your birthday is the day when it comes. What happened? It changes your age. So this is an event, right? So anything that causes change. So what I want something that should cause this movement. So I'll go in events. You can see there are different events available. When you press up key, now most of the games, when we play racing games or other games, we use left and right arrow keys to move a car, to move a sprites. So this is the block which will command it. When clicked, when you will click on your sprite, only then it moves. Like let's try this. Okay. So when clicked. So now when helicopter is clicked, now I want my helicopter should move when it is clicked. So that means this block should not be placed below when run. It should be placed below when clicked. So now when I will click on run button, you can see the background is there, the helicopter is there, but no other command is there. So the two commands are executed. Now what? When helicopter click, then start moving north. So when I will click on helicopter, you can see it started moving. So this is the event and the game is made only with main basic three elements. So the first element is the playground, that is the background. Then the second is the player. You should have players. And third is you should give events to the game. Only then it will become interesting and happy. Okay. For any doubts, look for the next video. Thank you.